let's take a look at communicating benefits to employees. Organizations must communicate benefits information to employees so they'll appreciate the value of benefits. In practice, it's difficult for employees and job applicants to understand the value of their benefits. This is especially true for the complexities of health insurance and the nuances of getting the most out of retirement benefits. The edge in labor market goes to employers who help them understand. These employers figure out how to use plain language, and they spread messages through multiple channels on and offline. To increase the likelihood that employees will receive and understand messages, employers can combine several media, such as brochures, question and answer meetings, internet pages, and text messages and email. An investment in communications to employees can reap great returns in the form of committed, satisfied employees.